The Eastern Province is located on the Arabian Gulf coast in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. It is the largest province in the kingdom, with an area of more than 500,000 square kilometers and a population of 3 million people. The province contains 10 main districts, where Dammam is considered the province's capital. Al Khobar is the tourist and business district. Saudi Aramco is recognized as one of the major oil companies in the world which operates in Dhahran industrial area. Jubail is the largest industrial city in the kingdom, which includes dozens of petrochemical plants and oil refineries. It also includes a commercial and industrial port for the export of these petrochemical plants and refined products they produce. To manage a district of this size with the current economical, industrial, and logistical importance, we tend to work in accordance with the strategic plans. On this basis, the Eastern Province Municipality analyzed the current situation and existing main problems to formulate a strategic plan until the year 2020 that included the vision: to be a leader in providing outstanding services for the development of cities in the Eastern Province to become ideal cities in the Middle East. And the mission: directing urban development and the delivery of municipal services with high methodology and high-end professionalism via participation of civil society and the private sector for a healthy environment, urban and modern, meeting comforts of citizens, residents, and their safety and well-being. And it serves 18 goals and 64 initiatives, and has been working on several programs which meets the needs and achieves goals and deals with most of the problems. The most important of these programs are Road Design and Transportation Program, Pedestrian Bridges in Dammam, Entrances Improvement Program, Residential Subdivision Development Program, City Drainage Program, Road and Street Lighting Program, Greenery and Landscape Program, Health and Field Study Program, Social Participation Program, E-Government Program, Studies and Projects Program. Road Design and Transportation Program. The municipality strove to expand the area and its traffic jams by the introduction of 27 intersections that needed to be developed by extensive studies. The implementation of those intersections facilitated the movement and smooth flow of traffic, and with reduction of traffic jams. Fourteen intersections have been accomplished thus far. Pedestrian bridges in Dammam. Development of pedestrian crossways aimed at reducing the possibility of run-over accidents in areas with high traffic density. Pedestrian traffic areas, especially in commercial streets and crossing places of students to schools and universities, have been targeted. Entrances Improvement Program. Improving and organizing the main entrances to the road network. Residential Subdivision Development Program. This program aims to provide the existing development residential schemes. Estimated number of neighborhoods that have been developed in Dammam is 17 neighborhoods. To obtain access to more than 27,000 lots and will exceed the number of 100,000 residents. City Drainage Program. The program aims to cease the danger of flooding and reducing the water table. This program includes the implementation of water works for storm water and drainage networks in neighborhoods and pumping stations. There are now more than 26 pumping stations that can dump in excess of 300,000 cubic meters per hour. Road and Street Lighting Program. Lighting is one of the most important issues during the expansion and urban development in the eastern provincial cities. The municipality scheduled a 5-year plan at the beginning of the year 2000. In the primary stage, it reached 24% completion and is expected to reach 100% by the year 2013 in residential areas. Greenery and Landscape Program. Dammam Waterfront. It is considered one of the foremost touristic and entertainment destinations of the Eastern Province, and a model that will reflect the heritage of the area. The 3.5-kilometer-long waterfront is located at the seafront, Corniche, district of Dammam. Dammam Waterfront consists of fields for celebrations, fountains and water surfaces, sidewalks, tracks for walking, running, and biking. The waterfront also has investment projects such as restaurants, folk villages, museums, a marina for boats, bowling alleys, and recreational centers. Al Khobar Waterfront. With a length of 3.5 kilometers, it's located along the coast. The projects consist of key passages and entrances for pedestrians with various entrances along the 2.5 kilometers of its accessible area, internal lakes and 15-meter-high water fountains, sidewalks, parks, and flat green areas, tracks for walking, running, and biking. There are many other waterfronts that the Eastern Province Municipality has established, such as Half Moon Bay in Dhahran, Qatif Waterfront, Darien Waterfront, Corniche, Ras Tanura, Jubail Waterfront, and many others. The total length of beautified beaches is greater than 80 kilometers between Dammam, Khobar, Qatif, Ras Tanura, Jubail, and Khafji. Work is underway to implement an area of 35 kilometers from the waterfronts. There is also an additional 110 kilometers under a comprehensive study of the Half Moon Bay beach area. Health and Field Study Program. The Central Food Laboratory, aimed to detect contamination, microbiological, chemical, and physical, enhance the role of health control to protect consumers from diseases and to come in compliance with the relevant standard specifications of Saudi Arabia. Major tests to be carried out in the laboratory: microbiological examination of food and water, chemical examination of foods, examine the residual of food pollutants. Mobile laboratory. 2 mobile laboratories are yet available. Monitoring and evaluation of air quality project. This project aims to continuously monitor the level of air pollutants in the cities of the Eastern Province. Social Participation Program. The municipality is seeking to communicate effectively with all the members of the community in various direct and indirect techniques. Some programs have been formulated to establish this communication, and those programs are environmental awareness programs, beach cleanup programs, Eastern summer programs, volunteer work, e-government program. In order for the municipality of the Eastern Province to be proactive in the application of the principles and methodologies of IT, they added to its strategic map process of applying process engineering, re-engineering, to convert most of its work to the e-business system. On the other side, the plan included several long-term programs and worked on mega projects that helped transform the region into a global economic power to match its economic and industrial status. Studies and Projects Program. For the nearby future, the municipality investment projects have lived up to the level of ambition of international standards and specifications. Our major projects are: 1. King Fahad Park, an entertaining and educational destination that is suitable for all ages. The project reflects the values and heritage of the Eastern Province and provides an adequate atmosphere for exercise, health, science, knowledge, and acquiring art. 2. King Abdullah Civic Center. This project is located within the King Abdullah Park in Dammam, an area of 250,000 square meters. The project consists of a multi-use hall, conference center, and various celebration centers, a covered theater area that can accommodate over 1,200 chairs for poetic activities and musical performances, museums and libraries, and open-air theaters that can accommodate 3,000 visitors daily. The project also contains 2 hotels to meet the necessary requirements for travelers. 3. Azizia Downtown. Azizia Downtown has been designed to serve people throughout the province of El Khobar and to provide the municipal and tourist services, markets including service centers, and the use of the port for boats. 4. Half Moon Bay Development. It is designed to create a new coastal city with the concept of an advanced global standard and able to maintain continuity by providing all aspects of life, living, learning, entertainment, business, and integration with the surrounding environment of an area of 250 square kilometers to accommodate 500,000 people and provide 90,000 jobs over the next 30 years. This is not everything. We still have a lot of projects and programs which will be operated soon based on our strategic plan.